Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Rouse Hill on the Sydney Metro Northwest line and just about to depart on platform number 1 for a Chatswood service. We have Ulstrom Metropolis set number 3. It'll stop next at Kellyfield and all stations to Epping, then followed by Macquarie University, Macquarie Park, Northwide, and followed by Chatswood. Talon service now arriving on platform number 2.
The train to Chatswood is going to enter platform 1. Train doors closing.
First, I'll show you guys the platform screen doors on platform number 1. Here we have door number 21. Well, when future demand is needed, take a little stroll down. This will become door number 22. And that will become door number 23. And just down the end there will be door number 24 and an Ulstrom Metropolis arriving on platform number 2, Talon service. Ulstrom Metropolis set number 8 is just about to depart platform number 2 here at Rouse Hill for a Talon service. Should be stopping at Talon only. view of platform number 2 from platform number 1.
The train to Chatswood is going to enter platform number 1. Train was closing. The train to Tullamore is going to enter platform number 2.
And that is Ulstrom Metropolis set number 21 bound for Tullawan, stopping at Tullawan only.
The train to Chatswood is going to enter platform number 1. Train is opening.
Please stand back from the closing doors.
The train was closing.
Well, you guys want to this video up now? Thank you all so much for watching, much appreciated. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Anyway, viewers, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive updates about my latest releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.